Let me introduce Zapable, how to build an instant mobile app in less than 60 seconds. With over 300 customer reviews and people selling apps like crazy, it's easy to see why this is one of the fastest growing opportunities in 2022. So let's take you into the world of Zapable and show you how easy it really is in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You simply log in, scroll down and pick your favorite template and select your preferred layout, and boom, you're ready to build. Step 2. Now it's time to add your features. With over 30 amazing options that you can simply point and click your way to an amazing app. Let's say you want to build an app for a huge booming market right now, online coaching. You just select the coaching template, just click to add a link to your appointment calendar to book calls, link to their Zoom calls, have an About Us section, integrate all your social profiles, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, share free lead generation courses, and you can make special announcements by sending push notifications directly to their mobile, where the open and click rates are 90% more effective than email. But it gets better. With our new instant mobile app technology, there's no need for the app stores. You can simply set up a QR code like shown, and boom, your app instantly loads on a user's phone by harnessing the zappable power of instant web app technology. And yes, we still offer Apple and Android submission if you want. Which leads us to our next amazing feature, Zap Digital. With Zap Digital, we integrate into all your favorite shopping carts like JVZoo, ClickBank, Thrivecart, Pay Kickstart, and so many more, where you can sell your instant digital products. This means you can sell all your digital content, videos, PDFs, trainings in-app behind a protected members area. And with mobile app content usage growing and desktop declining, this is a very important feature. And on that note, what's better than selling one-off digital products? Membership sites. Zap Digital also allows integration with major membership providers such as Wishlist, MemberMouse, Kajabi, and many more. Sell your paid content behind closed doors with your own instant mobile app, and you don't have to pay Apple 30% of your revenues. This truly is the next evolution of selling memberships. Zapable is truly flexible to build apps for nearly any type of business. Online coaches, realtors, restaurants, fitness, personal trainers, and many more. In fact, one Zapable user built a mobile app for his online fitness business, Zeus Fitness, which has over 195,000 YouTube subscribers. This app has thousands of visitors every single week, and they have sold hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of products. And inside their app, they sell online fitness programs, integrate into merchandise providers like Teespring, which allows you to sell t-shirts, hoodies, and nutrition courses. Zapable can do it all, and the business owner was thrilled.
I just want to say a massive thank you to Zapable. Through Zapable, I've got an incredible new mobile app for my business. It's enabled me to reach an even bigger audience and give users easy access to all my online content. Subscribers and customers can now access my workouts with ease. They can check out all my merchandise and all of my paid programs and courses. I've been able to add recipes, meal ideas, and much, much more, all under one amazing app. This has really helped me boost my online business and revenue.
In our next example, a small hotel owner needed an app built to allow people to book tables at his restaurant. With Zapable, he was able to build an app that allowed people to select their preferred date and time, enter their mobile number, and Zapable would send a confirmation text message for their booking. Over 90% of Paul's booking came from the app, and he sent us a thank you video as he was totally blown away by the response.
Hi guys, quick video testimonial for Andrew and Chris Fox on the new Zapable. I own a hotel here in England, and as you can see we are absolutely packed. I'm just going to quickly grab one of our customers because 90% of these people have actually used the new app to book their table. So Stephen, so you use the app to book the table tonight?
Yeah, I booked the table through the app tonight. Super easy to use, brilliant. Sent me a text message to let me know we're all okay. Keep using it.
Fantastic. Well done, guys. Really appreciate it.
It's easy to see why we have over 300 customer success stories who use Zapable to sell mobile apps like crazy. Regular people, very little tech experience, first timers, yet so many having huge success. But we are only reaching the tip of the iceberg. Let me show you a quick example of a restaurant app built by Zapable. You can add in-app menus, means minimizing touch to maintain health and hygiene. Takeaway ordering. We link to all major providers like Grubhub, Deliveroo, Just Eat and many more. Digital loyalty card allows customers to scan QR codes to access special promotions, discounts and encourage repeat business. But not only are we giving you the amazing builder, we are also giving you the ultimate done-for-you package so people can have their own instant mobile app business. And this is introducing the Zapable Agency Done-for-You package, the ultimate collection of tools that makes selling apps super fun and easy. First, we give you over 5 amazing high-converting landing pages to attract clients. We supply using ClickFunnels, Divi, Elementor and standard HTML. Next, we give you over 17 done-for-you videos in multiple niches to use as lead magnets. You can brand these as your own. Put them on the landing pages we supply. Not sure what features to suggest to a client or what pricing to charge? We've got you covered. We give you sample pricing charts for what to charge clients for apps, and these are fully customizable. Next, are you unsure how to connect with business owners? Then use our proven email connect scripts to cut and paste to prospective clients. Use our top 17 tips to get your client's app downloaded to make them think you're a marketing Jedi. We literally think of everything for you and make it super simple and easy. And with over 30 amazing features, Zapable can be point and click simple.